Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to copy and paste a URL. So an URL in simple words, it is the location of a website or a web page. To learn in more details, you can come back here later. So this is how we are going to implement this video. Now let's get started. So first of all, we will open the Microsoft Edge. Now let's type, or for Google, then click on Google. So over here, this is the URL bar. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click and copy on this URL bar. This URL is now copied, and if I click a new tab and then if I paste it and hit enter, now the Google is here. So these both of these tabs now have the same URL. If I open the Microsoft Edge again, so if I open the Microsoft Edge again, now if I paste the URL and hit enter, so now all of this, they have the same URL. So I'm just pasting the URL to get the same website. So this is how you can copy. You can just simply copy and just simply paste the URL, and you can also use the keyboard shortcuts. Now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video we have covered how to copy and paste a URL. Thank you for watching.